Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Amy here with us this afternoon, and Amy comes in here about once every 3 weeks to get tuned up. She's a college professor, and she deals with the college students all the time, so it stresses her out up here. But she's been coming in here, what, a couple of years now? Or a year?
About a year.
About a year?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, and then neutral. And we don't make her come in that frequently. She just chooses to do that on her own. We don't put patients on big, long treatment programs here. We get them well as quickly as possible and then let them just call and come in when they feel like they need to. And give them the maximum amount of relief that we can give them every single visit. Okay, Amy, you know what we need to do on you first thing?
Yes.
All right. Yep. There. That's not you, that's the pins, man. Feel like you're in there tight enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want you getting away. There we go. Wow, you got a little hyperreflexia to start off with. There we go. Okay, now take a nice deep breath in. Oh yeah, you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
That's why we call it ring dinger. So when I first did this ring dinger on you, you were a little freaked out at first, huh?
Well, it literally took my breath away. Like I don't got.
But how's it feel now comparatively?
I don't. It always is such a adjustment, but it always feels so good afterwards.
It's a shock and awe type of adjustment.
Yeah.
But it gets results every time. Okay, let's.
I wouldn't want you. I would not want to come without you doing it because it feels good.
Yeah, we actually have patients that are afraid to get it done, and I've done it on them a few times, and then when they come in and I don't do it on them, they say, "Well, don't you think you need to pull me today?"
Yeah.
All the time. So it ends up being everybody's favorite adjustment. It's my favorite adjustment to have done on myself, I know that. There. Right, yes, I went off a little bit there today. There's L5, L4, L3, and L2. Okay. That's it. Good girl. Boy, that moved great. That's the best you moved up there in a while. That's where you hold a lot of your stress right there. There. Good. Okay, let's train on your back now. Just like that. Just slide down this way a little bit now. Every time I hear sirens out there now, I'm looking out there because
From the other day?
Armed vehicle robbery right out here the other day. You hear about that? Yeah. 2 Brinks armored vehicles were burglarized, or tried to be burglarized, but they were full of city and police department people because they were doing a sting operation on them. They found that they were trying to knock them off, so they were in the trucks.
Goodness.
Okay, take a deep breath in, exhale. Amy has some issues sometimes with some acid reflux, so we pull her stomach down for her. There we go. Okay, let's have it take another deep one. And exhale. And one more. That's it. Excellent. Okay. Now just relax this.
That's something I never knew a chiropractor could do, and I wouldn't.
Yeah, on the acid
I
reflux.
can't believe how much it helped. Not helped. It made it go away.
Yeah, let you tell the camera that here in a second. Okay, let's set you. There we go. Yep. Okay, let me get your elbows here. Good. Your wrist's feeling pretty solid.
I think writing on the whiteboard bothers my shoulder and arm almost more than anything I do.
Yep. Okay, let's have you stand up here in front of the mirror now. Okay, I'm gonna have you flex your head forward and then backwards for me, please. There you go. Yep. Okay, try that same thing again. Then getting better than that, Amy. Very good. So Amy came in here, when she first came in here, she didn't even realize that we treated or could help people that were suffering from acid reflux and hiatal hernia. And how has your acid reflux been since we've been treating you?
It goes away. I mean, it's gone most of the time. Every once in a while it flares up, I let you know and you adjust it and it's gone.
Right.
So but I was trying to avoid eating things. I was trying to, didn't know what was causing it. I tried all kinds of things and nothing helped.
Medicines and
and
GI doctors and all that.
Well, I hadn't been to the doctor yet, but when I did tell my general practitioner, he just said, "Oh, well, just be careful of what you eat and take." I can't remember one of the daily medicines, and none of it really even helped. I always kind of felt like I had something right here in my throat, and I was always trying to watch what I ate, and none of it helped. But this made it go away.
And who referred you in here?
Nobody referred me in. I actually went online, and I'm from Iowa.
Oh, okay.
And so I was looking for a Palmer chiropractor. Yeah. Yep. And I found Dr. Johnson.
We were all over the page.
Glad I was.
Yeah. Thank you. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we'll see y'all soon.